Hello everybody. So today we're going to assemble the 7-foot carved face Bigfoot. It's really simple. With your Bigfoot, you're going to get 12 screws because there's 12 holes. There's 3 holes in each limb to attach them. Also comes with 2 alignment wires. Very simple, very simple. So you simply just move your left or right leg, whichever way you're looking at it, into place. Take your wire, stick it through the outside hole, hold it there, then put the wire in the other one, move it to where it's inside the hole. Then you know that you have at least 2 of the holes lined up. Take one of your screws, and you can use a regular screwdriver, but I find a drill is a little bit easier. Simply screw it in. Now your other 2 holes are lined up. So you can take one out at a time. Screw it in. Do the last screw. And your legs are interchangeable. It won't matter which side you put it on. Same with the arms. The holes all line up the same. Okay, so all you want to do is make sure that the part that looks like hair, the wavy part, is to the outside. Okay, next we'll do another arm. We'll do it the same way. Stick the arm in place. Take one of your wires and line it up with that first hole. Then line up a second hole. Okay. Grab a screw, or 3. I like to start the screws without doing them all the way in, just to start them. That way it's easier to line them up. Make sure they're all started in their holes. Then finish them in. And you just repeat the process on the opposite side. These are stainless steel screws. We send touch-up paint just in case you scratch it up with the drill or the screwdriver. If you ever need to get any more of the paint, it is the blackest of black, and it's called limousine leather, and you can get it at Home Depot. They'll give you a little sample can, $5, so you can paint quite a bit with it. But it's called limousine leather, and it's the Bear Ultra Premium paint. It's supposed to last 25 years. Good luck, and enjoy your Bigfoot.